Brazil's COVID-19 death toll has now risen to 100,000. Brazil reached the grim milestone as most Brazilian cities reopened shops, even though the pandemic has yet to peak. The largest country in South America is confronting its most lethal outbreak since the Spanish flu, which happened a century ago. The country reported its first few COVID-19 cases by the end of the month of February. In a span of only 3 months, 50,000 people had lost their lives. "1,000 red balloons colored the sky over Copacabana beach in Rio de Janeiro on Saturday in memory of the nearly 100,000 deaths due to COVID-19 in Brazil. 1,000 red gas balloons were scattered on the beach sands, with 100 of them fixed on 100 black crosses. Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro, who himself had contracted COVID-19, has time and again played down the gravity of the outbreak. Infectious disease specialist Dr. Roberto Medrono has said that the grim milestone is a result of complete disorganization of federal institutions.
O Brasil atinge a triste marca de 100 mil óbitos pela Covid-19. Esta dramática situação não é decorrência apenas da gravidade da doença, mas também de uma desarticulação completa entre os entes da federação para o adequado enfrentamento da doença.
2 health ministers have already resigned over differences with President Bolsonaro. The acting minister is an army general who has abandoned the call for social distancing, a practice that experts consider as essential. But the president disagrees. In the past, Bolsonaro called COVID-19 a little flu. He said he recovered from his own infection thanks to hydroxychloroquine, an anti-malarial drug that is not a proven cure of COVID-19. Despite rising cases and deaths, hundreds of people in Brazil were seen drinking, talking and going to bars. Nighttime revelers were seen without masks. Rio de Janeiro's city government announced a further relaxation of lockdown measures on the 31st of July, allowing bars and restaurants to remain open until 1 a.m. The day Brazil reached the grim milestone of 100,000 deaths due to COVID-19, hundreds of soccer fans crowded the street in Sao Paulo to celebrate the end of the state championship. Palmeiras fans gathered to celebrate the victory of their beloved team, most not even wearing their mandatory face masks, and the gathering was completely against regulations.